Hi all, welcome back. It's me, Jenny Trumpa, Director of Admissions for Up With People, and today we are focusing still on our GoFundMe campaign. Today we're going to actually walk through how to set up your GoFundMe account and your GoFundMe campaign. So we have done a lot of work already. What we've done is we have hopefully created a video describing why we want to travel and Up With People. And we have also created a list of 100 people who we are going to share our campaign with. We have also thought about different ways to have a fundraiser. And right now what we're doing is we are actually implementing some of those things. So yesterday I had you all write out your sponsor letter. And today what we're going to do is we're going to take that sponsor letter and we are going to plug it into our GoFundMe campaign. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you all. If I can find the button, there it is, share screen. And we're going to go over here. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this letter. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go over to my GoFundMe account. So GoFundMe.com. Basically, I want to start a campaign. So I'm going to click on Start a Campaign. And we're going to, let's see, sign in. We're going to log in. And right here, you can just create your own account using your email and a password. So it's going to say, what is your goal? All right, one of the things that we also did was we determined how much we needed to raise. So I believe on day 2 of this entire fundraising virtual course, we looked at our budget calculator and we plugged in some numbers and we determined how much we were going to raise. So a portion of your funds should come from money you've either earned through working part-time or working odds and ends jobs or through your savings. Perhaps you have some support through parents and relatives or through some additional educational savings that you have. Or perhaps you are going to sell your car or whatever it is. So you take all of those funds, in all of these different categories, and you've come up with a number, and you've subtracted it from your tuition fee. You've also included in there the cost of your airport flight and the cost of any visas that you may need, the cost of health insurance, and as well any incidentals that you'll want to, purchase on your trip, such as shampoo, souvenirs, additional food and beverage, things like that. So once you've come up with all of those, calculations, you've come up with a number. So we're going to enter this number here. I'm going to say round it off to 5,000. All right? So my campaign title is Jenny's Up With People World Tour. Category. Now I'm doing this for the first time. I've never done this. So let's just kind of look and see what we have. Category would be, how about volunteer and service? I think that sounds great. Maybe you want it to be missions, faith and church, education and learning, nonprofits and charities. I'm going to put, I would say either volunteer and service or education and learning. I'm going to pick volunteer and service. Putting in my zip code. And click next. Easy peasy. We're going to add a Facebook photo or video. Now, if you created your video, your why video, this is where you would grab it from YouTube and bring it up in there. And I highly, highly, highly recommend that you create a video. People connect with other people through video, through communication, much more than they do through images. So please, please, please take the time to create a 3-minute video for yourself. Let it be a short, sweet video. If you don't know what to say, just read off the letter that you created yesterday. Read the words from a screen and talk into a camera. It's fine. It's not ever going to be perfect. People don't expect things to be perfect. My videos to you aren't perfect. The lighting isn't that great. It's all good. So really, but from these videos that I'm creating, you get to connect with me a little bit more. You get to know who I am a little bit more. And the same is going to be true for the people that are looking at your campaign. So please, please, please click or choose a video. For the purposes of this training tutorial, I'm going to pick a Facebook photo. So, oh boy, I don't even know. Hope that I know my password. Let's see. Cross fingers. Haha, it worked. Okay, good. I'm always logged into Facebook, so I never really remember what my password is. Okay, GoFundMe would like to post to Facebook for you. Who can see GoFundMe's posts on your timeline? I'm gonna say not now but you probably are gonna say okay. All right, so let's say choose an album. Profile pictures. I'm gonna go to my profile pictures. And you know what? I'm gonna choose this fun jumping one, just for fun. Save and continue. It looks lively and, all right. So tell your story. This is where we're gonna copy and paste from what we created yesterday. So remember I said, we're gonna go to that letter that we created yesterday, grab it, copy, paste, right here. Bam, there it is. So you will have edited it and made it look really great and have your personal story in it, right? Yes, everyone's nodding their head yes. Okay, so after this, we've got it all plugged in. Tell us your story. I've got my story right here. It's all in there. Now I'm gonna click next. And it says your campaign is ready. That's great. Next, we'll show you how to share your campaign. Okay, so after you receive your first donation, you can enter your withdrawal information. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to add my Facebook photo. Sometimes it just takes a little while. So there we go. Profile pic is up. And if you want to, you can connect with Gmail, your Outlook, your Yahoo. I think it's GoFundMe donors are the best supporters of new campaigns. Add your contacts to GoFundMe to find past donors. So basically, when you connect with any other, of your contact lists like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or anything else, it has a database and it's going to connect and sync those together. So I'm actually going to skip this part, but I recommend that you do it. Yes. And there you go. So right here is where you would say post to Facebook, and it's going to post onto your Facebook news feed. So this is all we're going to do today. I want you to go ahead and click post to Facebook when you're finished with this. And tomorrow we're going to talk a little bit more about how to distribute your GoFundMe campaign to the world. All right, so this is your task for today. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're having lots of luck setting up your GoFundMe campaign. All right, everyone, I will see you again. Take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.